Do you know CPR? Because you're taking my breath away. Hey, what's up you guys? Kim Camaro Vroom. And welcome to my first video. I'm super excited you guys are watching this. So I'm going to be doing this eye look from this amazing palette I got. I got this from an app you could download on your phone. It is called Hush. It is amazing. It sells pretty affordable makeup. I got this palette for $12. It is amazing. Hey. Oh, I look so ugly. Whatever. But yeah, and the first time you do sign up, you do get a free gift, which is pretty amazing. To be honest, I have no complaints about this palette. It is super amazing. It is very well pigmented. The colors that are on here are great. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Anyways, I am not a professional makeup artist. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing, but I go with the flow, you know. But yeah, I'm so sorry if the person who's watching this knows a little bit about makeup and you're like, oh no sweetie, you're not supposed to do that. Oh my gosh, no wonder you're not professional. Anyways, I'm so sorry ahead of time, but I hope you guys watch this video, see how I achieve this look. Just kidding. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this color right here, Valor. I'm gonna grab my blending brush. Just gonna go like along like the crease over here. So like the key to blending is to grab a lighter color that you're gonna use and just, you know, do that, because I never knew that. I would just go in straight for color and like just blend it, but yeah, that didn't work. And then I'm just gonna be blending, and you should look like this. Okay, I'm gonna use the same brush and I'm going to go in with this one right here. And then I'm just gonna go like where this part is and just do that. Now as I said, I'm not an actual makeup artist and I probably shouldn't be using this brush right here, so ahead of time I'm so sorry. I don't mean to disrespect you guys out there, but this is just what I do and I kind of like it. I feel like it does its job. You know, everyone does things differently, and this is just how I do it. Oh crap, I messed up. Whatever. Okay, some things about me is I'm Hispanic. My mom's Salvadorian, my dad's Mexican. I was born here in the United States, so that's pretty cool. Let me see. I graduated high school. I went to college for a year. It personally wasn't for me. I think it's because I have a job, and you know, it's pretty nice seeing your paycheck, and I really loved getting money, you know. I just felt like it was a lot better instead of going to school. And not that I feel like college doesn't guarantee you a workplace in the future, or like it doesn't guarantee you a workplace like in what you decide to go, if that makes sense. I'm so sorry. I don't know, I just didn't want to be wasting my money on something that wasn't guaranteed. So what I did is I think in like 9th grade I wanted to become a paramedic. So that's what I did. Last year I went to EMT, like I joined the courses for an EMT. Oh my gosh, it was pretty hard. I think it was 6 months. I think it was a 6-month class, and yeah, it was probably the worst time of my life. It was super stressful. I would stay up every night studying, crying. Oh my gosh, it was bad, but I passed my class, and I don't know, I just felt after the class I feel like it wasn't for me, or it's not that, it's just like I was kind of afraid because it's someone's life, you know. If you mess up, then they're dead. And then not that, I feel like a lot of EMT paramedics get a whole bunch of shit, and oh my gosh, they deserve to be respected after everything that they have to go through. So yeah, so all I have to do is take my NREMT and I would be certified, but I haven't done it yet, and it's been a year since I graduated my class, and some of my knowledge is gone, but some of it's still there. So if anything were to ever happen, I'm good. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish blending. And so I'm gonna grab a different brush. It's gonna look like this. Sorry, my hands are ugly. And then I'm going to go in with Lord. And then I'm just gonna go along over here. Oh, sorry, that was ugly. Okay. Do the same with the other eye. It's funny because I was showing my coworker like parts of this. Or, okay, I actually remade this video like 5 times. And she's like, oh my gosh, it's so weird seeing you because you look so serious. And one thing about me is I'm usually never serious. And that's pretty bad. You know, because my best friend, I've known her for, oh my gosh, almost 8 years already. And she's like, yeah, like, I used to never want to talk to you about serious stuff because you wouldn't take it seriously. And I felt so bad. I mean, when I want to be, I could be serious. Okay, I'm going to go in with another blending brush, a clean one. I'm just going to kind of blend it out. Okay, so I finished blending all that out. So I'm going to go in with Power. I'm going to grab my flat brush. And I'm just going to go in along with the eyelid. And blend. Oh, wrong brush. Blend all that ugliness away. It's funny, I told my coworkers about I would start making videos. I feel like they didn't believe me. I feel like they probably still don't believe me. That's okay. I know it's funny because like sometimes I call them my friends and they just give me this look like I'm your friend. But they should be blessed that I'm their friend and I'm a part of their lives because I'm a pretty cool person. Okay, I might not be that cool, but it's whatever. Okay, just blend, 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 blend. Oh, that looks bad. Sorry. But yeah, my goal in life is to be successful, probably become an actress, marry other famous people, not marry, date them, and like have drama going around about me, because I love my cheese man, whatever. And yeah, I feel like that'll be pretty cool. Just imagine being famous, like having people recognize you, like, oh my gosh, I know her. That'll be so cool. I mean, sometimes it'll be annoying because you wouldn't want that, but since I'm not famous, I feel like I would want that. Then just gonna blend in. Just kidding, I'm so ugly. Oh my gosh. I promise I look better in person. You know the camera, they always want to lie to you. They're just like the paparazzi. But you know what? Whatever. I feel like I'm pretty on the inside. Yeah, I'm probably pretty ugly, but whatever. So yeah, I'm still blending. I don't like this part right here. I feel like it's too harsh and it's whiter. But this is why I'm not professional. Yay. Whatever. And just blend. Ooh. And so yeah, part with I feel like I want to become a dancer. I think I'm pretty good at dancing. My coworkers think I'm not. Well, some of them. Others don't support me. Just kidding. I personally love my coworkers. I feel like I'm blessed to have them part of my life. They're funny. They're really nice to talk to. You know, we always hang out. Okay, nobody's perfect, especially not me, so I'm just kind of gonna leave it like this. I'm so sorry if you guys are watching this and you're like, oh my gosh, no, don't leave it like that, but I'm sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. I am obsessed with this glitter right here. Oh my gosh, it is amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna go with my finger. Just kidding. And then just go like down the middle. And then voila. Oh, you probably like blend it out a little. Okay, and then do the same with this eye right here. And then just kind of go like that. Sorry if you guys can see my nose hair. What can I say? I'm human. I have nose hair. Amazing. Wow. The best. Oh, I hate smiling. I feel like I have an ugly smile. Oh, I shouldn't have gotten braces. I knew it was going to be not worth it. Just kidding. It's like having straight teeth. I guess it's whatever. Okay, you know what? I'm just kidding. I'm going to go back and blend because I feel like the line is way too harsh. Or it's probably lighting. It's probably just my face. Yeah. Okay. Kind of going a little... You know, it's funny because looking at my camera, it looks so bad. But in the mirror, it looks pretty decent. Oh my gosh. This looks so ugly. Wow. Okay, see, once again, I'm not a professional. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. The color looks pretty and I just put it on my face. But, yeah. I wish I was talented. Do you know how cool it is to be, like, talented? Like, oh, what's your talent? And just say something cool. Like, if people ask me, like, what's my talent, I'll be like, choose me. Wow. Okay, you guys, we're almost there. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this kind of a small brush or a thin one. I am going to go in with, okay, so I'm gonna mix these two together, just like that. And I'm gonna go in with under my eye. I don't know, I've been super obsessed with like that whole, you know. Okay. Oh, I don't want to get too close so you guys can see my pores. I'm just kidding, you guys probably see it from like a mile away. I'm just going to blend that in. Voila. I feel like I'm pretty funny. Sometimes I really want to become a comedian. But, all my coworkers tell me not to. But you know what? It's my life, right? Déjame vivir mi vida. Ha ha ha. I'm gonna do it again. I don't know, I'm showing you guys. I've already showed you. Whatever. Oh, by the way, most of my brushes that I've gotten, I got it from BH Cosmetic. I got the, I think it's Take Me Back to Brazil palette. Super obsessed with the colors, and they had this deal going on where if you buy this palette, then we'll give you some free brushes, and they're pretty good. And for the most part, I got my other brushes from Ipsy. I love that. I think I might switch to what's called Birchbox. I don't know, debating. Okay, make sure it's all blended. Cause I don't know if I got punched in the face. So I'm just gonna wipe this excess powder. Okay, so I'm just gonna I don't know what this is called. I'm so sorry, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna go in, do my eyeliner and mascara. Okay, so this is the finished look. I personally don't like oh my parents are so annoying. Just kidding, I love my parents. If you guys are watching this, I love you guys. Okay, so back to what I was saying. I personally don't like false lashes. And I kind of don't know how to put it on. So there you go. Yes, I also added white eyeliner on my right over here, so my eyes could look bigger. So if you guys personally hated this video and didn't, you know, don't want to see me anymore, then give it a thumbs up and I'll deactivate my account. But if you guys did like it, make sure y'all subscribed and like my video. How I know the difference between likes? I'm pretty smart. I think I can figure it out. But so I hope you guys like this. And should I do a little twirl? Oh wait, no, I want to make it dramatic. Ready? Oh, my hair is dead. Sorry. Pretend that didn't happen. But yes, look at that. Just kidding. My face is ugly. I'll just kind of go over there. Thanks. Do you know?